Absolute Wealth. Real investors, real results.
Hey everybody, this is John Carter with Absolute Wealth, and let's take a look at the markets. And first thing here, of course, the S&P's fired off that long squeeze, which triggers buying, and we did get the buying over the last. We got that reversal here on Monday. Today was kind of a lackadaisical day, for lack of a better term. Now support is that rising 21 period moving average, which is currently set at about 1412. All right. Now what's interesting right now is that the Dow, so if you look right here, that was the high that the S&P blew through, right? But if you look at the Dow, that has not confirmed that as of yet. So here's that same level, and you can see that we actually have not been able to close above that level. You know, we came up here, got rejected. We tested it intraday today, but sold off in the close. So at this point, what's happening here is that breakout has not been confirmed. So we have this kind of a fairly massive trend line in the Dow. At this point, if we can get some selling, if we take out this trend line, it's all over. We could actually get a crash in October. So this is a very, very key level that I'm taking a look at here. Of course, on Thursday, we got the FOMC meeting, and I think a lot of people are just going to be waiting for that. And if we look at the transports, the transportation index, nowhere near new highs. So, there's not a lot of confirmation that's going on here. However, there are stocks like Goldman Sachs that have been doing really well here. So when you see like the brokers, especially Goldman Sachs, doing well, it typically is good for the market. So this is one of those markets where it's just kind of like, all right, let's step back, let's see what the FOMC has to say, and then go from there. There are individual stocks that I like here. RAX is one. It's extended here, but I would like to buy RAX on any pullback here to this rising moving average. Let's call it $60. We're currently at about 64. So any pullback there. And another one I like here has been Google, and it's been running on all cylinders. Same thing here, it's extended, and I'd like to buy that pullback to 677. One stock I want to stay away from here though is Apple. Apple here is kind of in a, it's kind of weird when you have the iPhone release and all that kind of stuff. You really have kind of some mixed bags. The thing about it is they're not going to say anything that people don't already know. All this news is already priced in. And if it's all priced in, then it's potential that we start selling off. It's buy the rumor, sell the news, and there's really no long-term support here until closer to $600. So I do not like Apple up at these levels. Okay, hope that helps. You guys have a great night, and we'll see you at the next update.